Hey guys, I am back. All right, Magic School AI is something I'm super excited about you logging into. So you can use this as an AI product similar to a Chat GPT, but really meant for teachers and educators. So when you log in, there are some preloaded cards. First off, a caveat: I've already logged in, and so I'm assuming that this is a page I'm going to because I already have a username and password on the free version. I'm going to ask you to create a username and password on the free version as well. So you can go into the link that I sent, and then you can get into um, Magic School. And there's these preloaded cards that are really helpful for educators. Our goal for you is to use this as a tool to maybe help you get started on some things. If I wanted multiple choice assessment, I wanted to do it on the Second World War, um, and I want to do a variety of things and add some pieces in here. I can go to a certain grade level, how many questions, give a topic, and it's going to generate some stuff for me. And then I can give some more information based on what I need, and it's going to continue to generate some things for us. And so our hope for you is that this will give you a resource of where to go to. Let's say that you want to create a lesson plan or you want to create a family email. You can just put in some key information and it's going to give you some information back that hopefully will help you move forward and be easy as a resource and give you some extra time back in your day. There is an IEP generator, which is pretty awesome for your special ed crew. What I will tell you is you cannot put individual student names in here. So everyone that's working on this, make sure you're very cautious with our student names and student information. But if you're looking for, I need a goal for a student that's off task and that is a fourth grader, and I need to have a goal and some action plan steps around that, this is a resource that you can use. If you need some good jokes, you're all set there. If you're looking for some deeper level questions, so like Webb's depth of knowledge questions, that's the circle that we talk about often and that we think about with how we build questions. This will help you with those 4 questions or those 4 various levels. And so just a variety of things that you can use at your fingertips that we hope is helpful for you and a tool you can use regularly in your classroom. What I will say is I want you to spend an hour. So 1 hour just playing around. All we want you to do is play around and see what you find. What do you use? I'm going to put a little note in here because I want some feedback on what did you use? What did you like? We are looking at this as a resource for us, and so just trying to figure out how we will use it even more. Decodable text is another thing I know people have popped in, or they popped into Chat GPT as well, and so I know our K2 sometimes struggles with that, or some of our special ed teachers. So you're looking for a variety of text that has specific things in it. You can ask for these guys to create that and generate it, and they do at certain grade levels which is pretty cool and a great resource. We know that AI and their tools are coming at us fast and furious. And so we want ourselves to be able to use it a little bit, but with that, we know you need some time to play around. So we're giving you an hour today. I will put a little piece in here of how do you give some feedback of it. And so please use this and spend some time just seeing what can it do for you and how can it make your day even better. All right. Thanks, guys.